YouTube, what is up? Ricardo the Barber here. We are going to learn how to do a mohawk in 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to saturate the client's hair because he wants his hair a little shorter. So I'm going to go ahead and use shears and I'm going to cut off a 1/2 inch off the length of the top. Completed, I'm going to go ahead and blow dry the hair into the desired style. I'm going to make sure all the hair is nice and dry. I'm going to go in there with my clippers, and in this case we're going to do a shadow fade, so I'm going to open up the clipper without a guard. I'm going to make my first initial guideline. Once that is complete, slap a number 1 guard on there. Do not change the position, it's going to stay open. Make another guideline 1 inch up. Once that's complete, throw your number 2 guard on there, close the lever, and you're gonna blend that dark hair into the long hair. I will now grab my 3/16 guard and I'm gonna start blending a line down. I will use the open position to start, and as I'm fading down, I will start closing the lever by 2 clicks. 1 click and then 1 click again, and you will see that line disappear. Once that's complete, throw your 1/16 on there. You're gonna go ahead and blend that last line away. You're gonna start in the open position, and again, you're also gonna blend down. You're gonna be closing the lever as needed, all the way until it is fully gone. You are going to complete this process on the other side of the head exactly as you see here. So once both sides are done, I'm going to go ahead and shape the hair. I'm using just my bare clippers in the closed position. I'm going to make the desired shape of the head. So I face the client toward me and away from me. This way I can keep the same motion with my hand, and it allows me to do a better job. Once complete, I go ahead and I hit the client with some hairspray to hold the hair in place for the shape up. And I start from the center of the hairline. I work my way out, making a nice straight line. Case I come down 90 degrees toward the edge of the eyebrow. I make another line, and then I bring up the radius on his temple area about as natural as I can, while keeping a round shape and not bringing it up too high. I'm going to bring all that into the back. In this case, we have a rounded back. So I start from the center, and then I just round up toward the ears, and I complete the same exact thing on both sides of the head. Once your shape up is complete, I'm going to go ahead and darken the hairline a little bit. I'm using heavy enhancement spray, and again, it's just a little bit to make it pop. And I'm going to go ahead and just do the top and the sides of the hair. I'm not going to do the arc or the back. Now, you're going to go over all your work using a razor. Go against the grain. Make sure you tug on the skin. This way there's no irritation, and you cut very sharp. You're gonna do that all the way around the head. Once that is done, you're gonna go ahead and style the hair. In this case, my client loves gel. We're gonna use some gel because it's gonna curl his hair a little bit and then dry it in place. I'm gonna go ahead and put all that in there while giving him the desired shape. And here's the finished look. You guys should have just learned how to do a mohawk in 5 minutes. Hopefully yours comes out looking just as good, hopefully better. Hopefully you guys learned something. I'm here. Just check me out on the next videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys.